What the heck? All right, what's going on YouTube? As you can see, we are once again starting another POV drive at the freaking gas station, guys. I like how quiet everything gets. Like, as soon as I turn my car off, like when I'm starting my car or my car's on, everything's so loud. Or everything, like this car is so freaking loud. But then as soon as I turn it off, it's like dead silent right now. There's like, my voice sounds so loud. But as you guys can see, it's Christmas time, so you know we have to bring out the Sprite cranberry on them. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, Sprite cranberry does not hit the same. Like, it only hit the same, or it used to hit when, like, back when LeBron was like for that ad.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
Anyways, let's go ahead and pay for some E85 here. Ding. Oh wait, is anyways, let's go. Oh hell no. These 6 activities, bro saw a Hellcat and just floored it. Or whatever that was supposed to be. I don't know what that was supposed to be on. Oh, did they go in? No. Really rich. Sprite cranberry. White body. Blue Lives Matter sticker. Gap cam. Guys, right now it is currently 11:47. Today we only made $832 for my clothing brand, which is actually Grout Locker. So clean as car. Hey, one thing I hate is like, bro, my SRT light does not work anymore for some reason, which is actually so freaking annoying. But is it just me, or just like gas station lighting just like always just go crazy, like insanely crazy? I'll show you guys how loud this freaking car is, but we're gonna have to make it quick though because my check engine light's on, so it only stays on for like 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jeez. All right, let's go, boys. And we are off. Stupid ass. Look at that. We're going on the highway and we're going home because it is almost, it is 12 in the morning now. Don't scrape, don't scrape. Okay. And now it's time to get on the highway. All right, I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop talking now because a lot of you guys don't like when people talk too much, so I think I'm talking a little bit too much. So I'm gonna drink my Sprite cranberry and just be quiet now. And yes, this car is 1,000 horsepower, as you can see. So, if everybody's saying my car is not 1,000 horsepower, it's 1,000 horsepower, sorry. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh my. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Holy smokes. Holy moly. That is one loud red eye. Oh. Oh. That is nasty. Those are some nasty downshifts. Bro. It's been my dream, like, bro, hold on, I can't even speak right now. It's been my dream to get like a nice car, and like I finally got it. Like, I used to go to car meets all the time. Everybody used to have crazy builds. Hold on, I'm gonna be quiet. Shh, listen. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. But it's been a dream of mine to have like a nice car, a nice build, a nice loud car, and I finally got it. And I just want to bring like a whole bunch of content to you guys with this car, so you guys can watch my journey about the cars I get. Oh my gosh, police, 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 police. Shh, 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 shh. Oh my gosh, don't be suspicious, don't be. Oh my god. Oh, police. Oh, is he going straight? Please don't get behind me. If he gets behind me, I'm so fucking screwed. Oh, police again. Oh my gosh. Another police officer. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's getting behind me. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Oh, 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 oh. Ah, we're good. Huh. Bro, if you guys don't know, I am state ref right now, so I cannot afford to get pulled over. So that was a really fucking close call. Did I wet my pants? Absolutely. Did I almost shit my pants? Absolutely. But we made it. Hold on, we gotta be quiet. Who is this? Who is this? Make yourself known. Bro, it's a car, one headlight. What the fuck? Oh, hell nah. That boy a thug. Oh my gosh, guys. I almost shit my pants. 2 police officers in a span of like 3 seconds. Oh my gosh. I thought he was gonna get behind me, bro. I got so scared. I was like, no. Hey, at least I would have had it on camera though. I do not want to get fucking impounded at 12 in the morning. That would have been bad. The LAPD, if you're watching this video, I'm driving responsibly. CHP, if you're watching this video, I'm driving responsibly. So, I don't want any beef with you guys. Oh, a little calm pull. So we have another Hellcat right beside me. I think it's a Hellcat. I don't know. It might be. Where's he at? Where he at? Where he at? Oh, that boy got the Hellcat. No. Go, go, go. That boy got a Hellcat. Are they watching the race? Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That boy got a Hellcat. No. That boy had a Hellcat. No. Bro, my car, when I floored it, it just took off like that. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Bro, I just started flying for a second. What the heck? Yo. Ooh. Bro, it is so cold, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna have to throw those windows up. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, when I floored it, the car dead ass is like fucking, like, I'm for real, like the car just like took off in the air. Like I felt like the whole front end is like lift up. It felt like I was dead ass about to take flight. That's actually crazy. And I wasn't even flooring it all the way, guys. I was flooring it like, I'll probably say 90%. Like my foot didn't even press all the way down the gas. Like I was almost there and then I had let off because we had stopped. But bro, oh my gosh, bro, this car is nutty, bro. What am I saying? Nutty. Hey, yo. But yeah, we are, if you guys don't know, we actually are 1,000 horsepower. But I'm gonna slap it back in sport mode. Don't want to fuck up that transmission too much. But bro, that was actually kind of insane, bro. So hopefully he's going the same way as me. If so, I'm gonna be super happy. I'm gonna have somebody to cruise with all the way home. But if not, you know, it was fun while it lasted, I guess. It's been a long day. It looks like he's getting, looks like he's leaving. Dang it. I thought I had to cut up, buddy. Oh, he's gone. He gone. That motherfucker sound good. Dang it, bro. I thought I was gonna have somebody cut up with. Oh, well. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera and something else happens. Bro, when I drive, something crazy always just happens. Like, I don't know why. Like, but yeah, it's like whenever I put this camera on, something crazy happens. Oh, he is going my way. He just took the fast lane, whatever it's called. So let me go ahead and catch up to him real quick. Let's go, let's go. I got somebody to cruise with on the way home. Let's go. He should be right. We should like meet each other at the same time. Depends how fast he's going though. He's probably flooring it, knowing him. Hold on, guys. Let me get my Waze map back up again so I can see what's going on. All right, where's he at? He is where? He should be right here or back there. And he is where? Right here, boom, perfect. As expected. Look at that right there, you see his lights? Where's he at? But I thought I was SRT Lynn. I was like, what the heck? That boy SRT Lynn in Cali. Oh, he right there. Bro, why are you trying to run away? It might be. I don't know. Is it a white body? I can't see. It's so my tints are so dark. I can't see. I'm trying to look at the fender. I don't know if it is or not. That boy recording though. Oh my gosh, bro, you're still in the clip. Come on, man. Hold on. Go around. That boy's still in the clip, dude. Here he is right here. That boy, bro, what the heck is going on right now? We're getting rollers in traffic? Is there a wide body? I can't. No, it's a slim body. It took me like 20 minutes to realize that, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Holy shit. Holy crap. Yo, I just love driving, bro. Look at that. And we just made a new friend. I'm pretty sure within like the next hour, he's gonna message me saying, hey, see you on the highway, I was driving with you. Bro, oh my gosh. Why are you going 60? Bro's really going 60. I mean, bro's going like 58 at that. Speed limit is 65, buddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Speed limit is, we're in Mexico, guys, sorry. Speed limit is not 65. Speed limit is whatever we want, because we're in Mexico. Disclaimer. we are not in the United States, we're in Mexico, guys. Just a little quick disclaimer right there, sorry. Anyways, back to the POV drive. And I like how we had like the same mods. He has like the little diffuser. I'm pretty sure he has the 5-inch tips. He has like the little sticker on top of your lights to make it look like custom, whatever. I have it on mine too. And then he might be straight piped as well. I can't really tell. It's not really that loud. And then he has like little LED side markers. It's pretty cool. Bro, I like one thing I do want though in the future is the that boy getting rowdy though. But one thing I do want in the future is the color lights. And then also I'm working with C-Bond Engineering right now, whatever you want to call them. I'm working with them right now. I'm gonna get, oh shit, police. Oh, how fast am I going? Nah, we chilling. Sorry guys, I just get like a stroke. Every time I see KA band, I get a stroke. Cause like, it just makes me like, it brings back PTSD cause I have court on the 3rd. So it just brings back my PTSD. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. Gotta make sure there's no police around. But anyways, what I was saying, I want to get like a clear hood, or not a clear hood, but a carbon fiber hood, and then also like the top part is clear so that you can see the supercharger. That's pretty hard. And then yeah, the little color lights. I already have the SRT emblem. I already have that. One thing police do, they camp out right here. So I gotta make sure that there's nobody. Okay, we're good. All right, man, we're straight. Guys, if you're gonna drive fast or whatever with your friends, you have a loud car, nice car, you need to invest in a police radar. I had a unit in R8, and then on top of that, you need to make sure that you have Waze running, because Waze is pretty freaking reliable. It just depends on who's like, it's like based off the people using it. So if the people using it are actually like using it and reporting police, then it's really useful. But if nobody's reporting police, then it's not really useful. So just make sure if you guys had a Waze app, make sure you guys are being like active on there, so we can like save somebody from going to jail for speeding. So yeah, anyways, I'll just catch you guys in like 20-15 minutes or so. We just chilling right now. Oh, that boy, bro, if his car is loud, imagine what mine sounds like, because I can hear him when he downshifts. Mine's probably like 20 times louder than that. I probably just ear raped their whole entire car, I'm not gonna lie. All right guys, so we're driving home right now, and there's 2 cars that is past me that have these freaking Christmas lights on. I'm pretty sure that you are not supposed to be driving with those on, especially on the freaking highway. Here, I'm gonna try to catch up to him real quick. Look at this madness, bro. All right, he just turned his off. He still has his on, but when he drove past me, he had them like flickering. So like, bro, I'm trying to catch up without like freaking, bro. They are moving. Hold on, bro. They're going way too fast. All right, look, here's this freaking hard Challenger right here. Ew, why it sound like that? It sounds like it's farting. Bro, why are they moving though? Slow down, bruh. Bro, doing too much. Here, I'm gonna try to pass him if he ever wants to slow the fuck down. Look at this dude. Christmas lights at why does the car sound like that? Look at this, man. Christmas lights? What the heck? Oh hell nah, that boy's leaking. Look at this. Bro, you are I'm so sure, I am so certain right now that something right here is illegal. I know for a fact that you are not supposed to be driving with those on. And then his buddy up there in a Honda, he's gone. He was probably hauling ass like 110. But I'm pretty sure, my brother, you are not supposed to be driving with Christmas lights. Look at this madness, bro. 12:34 in the freaking morning and bro's doing this. Why does it sound like? Listen to that. Y'all hear that? Why does it sound like that? It sounds like a straight pipe V6. Is this his homie? Yep, here's his homie right here with his lights on. Both of them. All right, he's getting off the exit, looks like. Bro, what the? Look at his homie. What the heck? Both of them with the freaking Christmas lights. Here he come. Look, here he come. Bro, oh no, all of a sudden he wants to drive slow. Okay. Look, here he come right now. Look, 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 look. What the heck? Bro. Look at this madness, bro. What the heck is going on? What the heck? That's actually crazy. 2 cars with Christmas lights cutting up. Look at that. They're going crazy. A freaking Honda Civic and a V6 Challenger. Gotta make sure that's not an undercover cop. But look at this madness, bro. Like, what's going on? Like, what the heck? I told y'all, hey, I'll pick up the camera when something happens. And as you can see, something happened. Something always happens when I'm recording. And who is this trying to speed past me? I'm already going 80. Bro, I'm going 80. What the? Look at the Honda. Okay, I don't know what kind of car that is. Hold on, let me try to catch up to him real quick. Look at the freaking Honda, bro. He is just swerving right now. Look at that. Here, I'm gonna try to pull up on them and get them both like driving side by side. Cause what the heck? Bro, the Challenger sounds so nasty. It sounds like a straight pipe V6. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you can just tell when like something's a V6 and you just have a straight pipes. Look, here, look. Look at this madness. Look at this madness, bro. Is this a scat pack? Look at that. What the heck? Oh, hell no. What the heck? And then look at the Honda getting off. What the heck? Oh, hell no. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys that little quick, wow, that was certainly something. 12:37 in the morning, and they're rolling around with Christmas lights on.